valid condition. Okay. Okay. When URS is pick up, okay. For example, only URS is pick up, then your RQ will pick up and become study. Okay. And when your final URLR will pick up, then your HQ will become study. Okay. So this is the only two possibilities, two indications are available on the our root group. Okay. Okay, or with this our root group is over. Okay. This one is over. So do we have any doubt? Then you ask, otherwise we will go for next. Hmm? Shall we go for next group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next we are now next is our two aspect signal group. Okay. Now signal group two aspect. Okay, so this is your signal group, right? Okay, so this is your signal group relay. Okay, so we are having okay. So these are the indications available on the top of the group, and these are the relays which are available in the relay group. RECR, HECR, CNR, okay, GR1, GR2, EGNR, GLSR, CPR. Okay, so this is the repeater of this your RECPR, and this is the repeater of this HACPR. Okay, so correspond to this also you can see here we are having RECPR, RECR, HECR. Okay. These are the two condensers which we are using for GR1 and GLSR relays. EGNR relay, okay, then EGNR, GLSR, right, GR1, GR2, this is GR1, GR2, the repeater of GR1, CPR1, repeater of your RECR, then this is the repeater of your HECR relay. Okay, and top of this we are having indication. Two indications are available. So GNR, GN is what? GNR is your signal button relay. It picks up when corresponding signal button GN is pressed. Okay, provided your EGNR relay is in drop condition. EGNR is what? Your EGGN. Okay, the button which we are using to throw a signal to danger. That should not be in pressed condition. Next is your EGNR relay. This is the emergency signal button relay. Okay, when it will pick up when your EGN button is pressed. Okay. So when we are using this to throw a signal back to danger. Okay, as I explained in our panel operation, we are using this for throwing a signal to danger condition. Then your red aspect checking relay, RECR. It will pick up when your red lamp is in lit condition. Similarly, your yellow lamp checking relay, okay, it will pick up when your yellow lamp is in lit condition. These two are the repeaters of lamp checking relay, HECPR. GR1, GR2. Okay. So these are the signal controlling relays. So these are the relays together perform the function of conventional XR. As in our British relay, we are having HR relay. Okay. So these are equivalent with that. When your GR1, GR2 both are picked up, then only our signal will be can be taken. Then GR1 is made flow to release by connecting 500 microfarad condenser and 100 ohm. So GR1 pickup when concerned root and signal button initiated and lock. So actually this is the final stage of your taking off a signal when all the root in locked condition, when all other conditions are satisfied, then only your GR1 or GR2 will be. These are the final release to pick up. So signal control relay GR1, GR2 together control the off aspect of the signal. GPR1, this is nothing but the repeater of GPR1 relay. Picking up of GPR1, cut off the feed to GLS. Okay. This you may not be able to understand right now. When you will study the signal flow chart, no? 15, then you can understand all these points. Remember that GPR1 is used to cut off the feed to GLS. Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Complete silence and doubt हुआ कुछ. GLSR, GLSR relay, signal lock, SIC relay. This we are using to ensure one train, one signal, one feature. In British, ensuring that
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
one train feature. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, CSR. No. Here we are ensuring we're using the GLS. One train, one signal feature. And it is normally in DHS condition. Okay. So it will pick up to clear the signal. After clearing the signal, before clearing the signal, it will drop again. Okay. Here you see, no, GR1 cut off the feed to the GLSR. Once your GPR relay will pick up, your GLSR relay will drop because it will cut off the feed to the your GLSR. Okay. So finally your GLSR will drop before signal is in takeoff condition. Okay.
तो नॉर्मली तो पिकअप में रहेगा ना सर, जब उस एचआर पिकअप होगा तब ये जीएलएसआर ड्रॉप होगा.
नहीं, नॉर्मली रिले डीएनर्जाइज ही रहता है. हमारा सिग्नल मूवमेंट हम जब ऑपरेशन करते हैं, करने के बाद ये पिकअप होता है और फिर ये ड्रॉप होता है जैसे ही हमारा GPR1 विल पिकअप.
ओके
सर. मैं आप लोग को सिग्नल और फ्लोग्राफ भी दिखा दूंगा, है ना, थोड़ा आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाएगा सर. ठीक है. आई विल शो यू दैट सिग्नल फ्लोग्राफ आल्सो, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. आई नो यार, ऐसे पढ़ने से तो ऑलमोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट जस्ट try to remember. I will show that graph also. Okay. Picks up when route is initiated and drops before GR2 pick up, like clearing the signal. So generally GR2 is the final relay. Okay. GR2 is the final relay to clear the signal. So this relay will pick up after GR1 pickup. Okay, GR1 will pick up and GLSR will pick up. Writing utna. Okay, your GR1 will pick up. So with GR1 your GPR1 will pick up. Okay, then your GLSR will pick up. Okay, once your GLSR will pick up, before picking up of your GR2, this relay will drop by using the front content of GPR1. Okay. So we are using the condenser, no? Condenser path. In GLSR, we are using condenser path. Okay. This condenser, what you had seen, no? In group, you see, in GR1 and GLSR, we are using a condenser. This is for that only. Means what GLSR will do, it should not drop before picking up of GR2. That is the reason we are holding the GLSR. Because once GLR will pick up, once GPR will pick up, GPR1 will pick up. Just a minute, let me see if that circuit is there. Yes. Are you able to see the circuit?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
See, now you see this is your GR1. Okay. So as I told you, this is the last stage of your circuit. So see, URLR is pick up already. So before this URLR, your URS is pick up. Okay. And with URS pick up, morning we have seen now our root group. Okay. With this one URS will pick up. Okay. Your UDKR will pick up when the TPR cell will pick up condition. Your DUCR will pick up when your points are in pickup condition. Okay. Then parallelly with this, your GLR will pick up. Okay. This all things happen with the buttons in pressed condition. Once your button will release, then remaining all other relays will drop and URL will pick up. All other relays are here. Okay. That is the different part. Okay. Then your URL will pick up. Right. Then GR1, GR2 will pick up. Once GPR1 will pick up, it will cut the feed to GLSR, but it will pick up with stick path to pick up your GR2. So to pick up our GR2, our GLSR is required actually. Okay. So it should not drop before picking up of GR2. Okay. This will be these things. These all things will be not even your 15 also. Okay. Clear here, thoda बहुत भी.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I will do one thing. After completion of this group, I will explain this chart, complete chart. Okay. This complete chart I will explain again after completion of these all relays, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So GLSR, we are using the stick path just to pick up our GRLR relay. Okay. Once your GRLR will pick up, it will pick up the GR2 relay. Okay. So see what are the different conditions are available for this. Okay. The first one is normally your RECR is pick up, then your RK study indication will be. Normally in ideal condition, we are having our RK in study condition. We will get the RK study indication will be available all the time. Okay. Ideal condition where no signal is take a condition. So only RG will be there, right? Next, suppose your RGS fuse at site. your RG bulb has fused at site, then your RK flashing will start. Okay, so this is what this is. This indicates that your lamp is in fused condition. Next one is your, suppose now you have taken off the signal. When you will take off the signal, your HECR will pick up. As your HECR will pick up, you will get this decay steady indication. Okay, we'll get the steady indication is decay. This means, and this will not be available. RG, this RK indication will not be available, only decay indication will be available. If we are having this indication, that means our lamp is burning at site. Then suppose our GR2 relay is picked up. Okay, as I told, GR2 is the final relay. GR2 is pickup condition only, but only ECR is dropped. Okay, suppose your ECR is dropped because suppose at site your lamp has fused, your ECR is dropped. Okay, so in this condition, your decay flashing will start and RK will appear. Using these indications also we'll come to know that what is the kind of failure in this root group is there. Clear? Is this one is clear? This table?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in cement, two aspect means only red and yellow, no green.
In two aspects, we are having two only. Red or
Sir, if the starter is placed on the main line and if the run through is given,
for
then
that
what
we are
is
having three aspects. No? Three aspect signals are available.
But somewhere, sir, only two aspect is also used on the main line starter, no?
No. We are using three aspect signal. See, in signal we are using three aspect only, but on panel we are having the indication for DG only. Only green indication is available in our panel.
No, sir, I am not saying that. In the relay group itself, it is showing only HECR and RECR. There is no DECR and all, sir.
So that three aspect relay group is different. Now I am talking about only two aspect relay group. Okay, see,
Sir,
what I am talking, this is only two aspect group. Three aspect group is also there.
That means, sir, in the two aspect of the cement, there is no DG.
No DG. Okay, no DG, no DECR. यहाँ देखो यार है क्या? In this,
no,
we don't have any DECR. Only HECR is there or HECPR is there.
It means two aspect only used in the loop line itself.
Yes.
No mainline starter.
When there is no use, then why we will use extra relays even inside the group also? Correct, na? That way Siemens has designed two aspect group separate, three aspect separate, shunt group separate. Separate groups are there. When
Sir,
we
but
don't
in
have
a clear version, two aspect also having the red and green only, na, sir? Two aspect, basic
so
two aspect.
where is the green? Where is the green?
Advanced starter, sir. Sir, at advanced starter.
एडवांस स्टार्टर also भी एडवांस स्टार्टर में भी क्या होता है सेम ना या तो आपका क्या रहेगा क्या रहेगा एडवांस स्टार्टर में बताओ
RG and DG.
डीजी रहेगा तो दो सेपरेट हम सिर्फ डीजी लगाएंगे उसमें डीजी वाला यूज करेंगे दैट इज सेपरेट ओके देन वी यूज DECR विल बी here हमको आज पे क्या चेंज करना है व्हाट वी हैव टू चेंज देयर जस्ट द सिग्नल लैंप ओनली नो सपोज नाउ आल्सो इन ब्रिटिश आल्सो सपोज ब्रिटिश एग्जांपल ले लो एट साइड इंस्टेड ऑफ येलो अगर आप ग्रीन एलईडी लगा के रखे हो मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल देन व्हाट इट विल डिस्प्ले देयर
Green, sir, green.
ग्रीन दिखाएगा ना राइट Okay, so now see, this is the your to pick up REC here. This is a circuit. Okay, your lamp circuit, RG lamp circuit. Okay. So what are the things required to pick up RECR? GR2 should be dropped or this should be dropped. We are having two paths. GR2 drop means signal is not in takeoff condition. Okay, or these two. Okay, when your signal is flew back, suppose आपने सिग्नल दिया लेकिन आपका फ्लू बैक हो गया. Okay, when आप सिग्नल दोगे तो रहेगा नहीं. ओके, दिस विल आपने सिग्नल दिया, DECR दिया, HECR दिया, ठीक है, देन क्या होगा, योर RG विल नॉट बर्न, है ना. ओके, so your RECR will not pick up. Okay, this is for your HECR lamp circuit. So what are the conditions are there to pick up HECR? GR1, GR2 should be pick up. Okay, GR3 in case of if you are using the 3-aspect signal. Okay, if you are using the 3-aspect signal, then this DECR will be there and the GR3 will also be there. Okay. Right, we are proving the picking of GR1 and GR2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Okay, this also we'll see one. Okay, so when you will press your signal button and your root button. Okay, so once you place your signal button, root button, your concern relays will pick up, right? GNR or UNR. Their repeater relays will also pick up GNPR or UNPR relay will pick up. Okay, so once your GNR this will or UNR or UNPR will pick up, your GNCR and UNCR will drop. Okay, so GNCR and UNCR are normally pick up होते हैं, है ना? Those are normally in pickup condition. So once you press the button, your GNPR will pick up, your GNCR will drop, and if your UNPR will pick up, your UNCR will drop. ठीक है? Then now first thing, Siemens we are using one ZUNR or ZURR relay. Okay, ZUNR or ZURR. Now first of all, we have to establish the direction, that in which direction we are want to travel. Okay, so if you are traveling from left to right, okay, then our ZU, so left to right, or ZUNR will pick up. Okay, right? Similarly, if you are going from right to left movement, then our ZU RR will be. Okay, so this relay is used to establish the direction, right? Then shunt bar, main, GNR. Okay, so using this, we are ensuring that whether we are taking the main signal or shunt signal. Okay. Our shunt GRR will become. Okay. Otherwise, normally for main signal shunt GNR. Okay. Then your Z1 UR. Z1 UR you are using for this one your diversion setting relay. Okay. Z1 UR is your diversion setting relay. We are using for each crossover one Z1 UR relay we are using.
सर Z1 UR का एक बार फिर से क्लियर बोलेंगे सर, तो आवाज क्लियर नहीं.
Z1 UR is your diversion setting relay. Okay. For each crossover we are using one Z1 UR relay.
Okay sir.
Right. Then Z1 UR. Okay. Z1 UR is your subroute initiating relay. Okay. So whenever you want to initiate the subroute, first Z1 UR has to pick up. Okay. For example, and see first Z1 UR or second Z1 UR. Suppose I want to take off one signal. Okay. If I want to take off this signal, this is one yard. I want to take off in the loop line. Okay. So suppose here I am having one subroute without point and one subroute with point. Okay, यहाँ दो सबरूट आएंगे ना, एक सबरूट विदाउट पॉइंट आएगा और एक सबरूट विथ पॉइंट. क्लियर ना?
यस सर.
डेफिनेटली अगर आप कोई भी रूट लोगे तो विल गेट टू सबरूट मिनिमम. वन विल बी सबरूट विदाउट पॉइंट and one will be subroute with point. Okay, so these two has to pick up. Subroute without point and subroute with point. Right? So first, and in this also the first which one will pick up, which will the subroute which point will pick up means the far end subroute, means subroute which will come the second one.
Sir, please repeat. Your voice is not coming, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, your voice is not coming, sir. Are you there, sir?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, are you listener, sir?
Okay. Right.
That one you are for subroutine points.
Yes, sir.